Learn about the NFT craze and how you can start investing today. Certain non-fungible token investments have outperformed cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum in the past months. Celebrities among the likes of Jimmy Fallon, Jay-Z, and Justin Bieber have bought NFTs and shown them off on their Twitter profiles. Welcome to Money Invest. We're seeing a lot of really high-quality and great-looking projects emerge in the NFT industry right now. So let's not waste any time, and please press that like button and subscribe to the video if you haven't already. As NFT projects are hard to value, it is crucial to do your own research to ensure that the project has utility. With this must come risk, as many NFT projects will fail, leaving investors with a worthless JPEG. Let's explore what we think are some good projects to watch in 2022. CryptoPunks by Lava Labs. CryptoPunks began as Ethereum's first non-fungible token concept in 2017. The overall number of collectibles was fixed at 10,000, and each punk was generated using an algorithm. Human punks are the most common, but there are other punk species as well. There are just 9 alien punks left, 24 ape punks, and 88 zombie punks. Alien punks sold for more than $8 million at the auction. Axie Infinity is the highest volume crypto in 2021. Axies can be used as creatures in the popular blockchain-based game Axie Infinity, and it only takes 3 of them to play. The price of Axies will change depending on how they are equipped and their attributes, but for now it is around $200. Next up is Bored Ape Yacht Club by Yuga Labs. In the same way that CryptoPunks utilize NFTs as online personas, Bored Ape Yacht Club does that too. Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the more popular ones, as they have been making waves in the industry for raising prices quickly, which now can cost up to $275,000. That being said, those buying from the past only paid 1 Ethereum at a lower price, so these tokens have had a dramatic increase in value. Meebits by Lava Labs. Meebits are designed for use on the internet's metaverse, for use in creating 3D blockchain worlds. Starting at 2.4 Ethereum, back when they first launched, prices now range up to hundreds of Ethereum, depending on the rarity of the Meebit. So hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, to get notified when we post more videos like this one. Proof of Beauty Studios. Proof of Beauty is a cutting-edge NFT initiative dedicated to recording and praising the Ethereum blockchain's history. Hash, the first NFT series from Proof of Beauty, allows users to transform personal and historical blockchain transactions into beautiful NFT artworks. Proof of Beauty's algorithm merges transaction details into color palettes, forms, and textures, from Vitalik's initial Ethereum transaction through Jay-Z's CryptoPunk buy. London, the second series from Proof of Beauty, is a sold-out collection of 8,888 generative artworks. Metaverse Land NFTs. One of the most unique ways to invest is Virtual Reality Land. Virtual Reality Land is a platform that has both Decentraland and the Sandbox. These platforms allow you to monetize your land by developing it, and some investors have done so by building casinos, amusement parks, and NFT museums. You can also buy land as a speculative investment for a later point in time. Mutant Ape Yacht Club by Yuga Labs. The Bored Ape Yacht Club was a great hit for Yuga Labs, and the Mutant Ape Yacht Club is the sequel. While celebrities and venture investors monopolize the Bored Apes, the Mutant Apes provide a more cheap method to access the same network. There are 20,000 mutants in all, with a few mega mutants selling for as little as 3,000 Ethereum, $9 million. The Mutant Apes were distributed via airdrop to members of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. All 30,000 apes were also given early access to Adidas into the Metaverse NFT project, which now sells for more than 3 times the regular price. Pudgy Penguins. Crypto influencers are coming together to buy Pudgy Penguins because the offer has meme potential. Each penguin is an official member of the Pudgy Penguins community found in the very cold, Arctic part of the Metaverse, as shown by the legend. With 8,888 Pudgy Penguins, each purchase is an opportunity. VeeFriends NFTs. Entrepreneur Gary Vee has been one of the biggest advocates for non-fungible tokens. Vee has said, NFTs are not silver or bronze medals, they are platinum, gold and silver. Mr. Vee founded an organization centering around Ethereum called Ethereum Enterprise Alliance, EEA, and he also co-founded many other companies, including VaynerX and VaynerMedia. This will make VCon the first NFT ticketed conference in the world. What makes these NFTs special is they act as a ticket to Gary's multi-day conference, where only VFriends NFT holders will gain access. Hosted in Minneapolis, Minnesota from May 10 to May 22, 2022, this event will have a number of incentives and speakers. The NFT is described as a NFT project around meaningful intellectual property and an extraordinary community on the VFriends website. As we end this video, if you want to support the education of NFTs, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. We really hope that you've learned something. And most of all, we hope to see you in our next video.